Hello again, Dave here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add vendors that you can attach to your transactions. Now, if you're using your transactions elsewhere and you don't plan on using the transaction management of Lofty, skip this video. This will mean nothing to you. But if you want to do your transactions and kind of move them along the pipelines and do that management of your transactions in here, then this is a video for you. I personally don't use it because we have a system here at Real that's much better, but a lot of people do that. So I'm going to show you how to do the transaction side of it. Now, before we go forward, please like, subscribe, and share because I appreciate it. And as you know, sharing is caring. So what you want to do to add vendors, you're going to go to your settings, scroll down to vendor partner. Now, this is also kind of nice if you're going to be if you want to see where your vendors are, or if you, whatever role it is, you have them all in one place, go ahead and do so. You don't even have to add them to your transactions. If you just want to have a place where you can keep all of your trusted vendors for you, boom, there you go. I'm going to show you in a different video in my website editing software or series through Lofty how to add vendors, like a vendor list to your actual website. That's what I do because I feel that's more powerful for the vendors. But if you want to add vendors for your own personal use, or if you have agents that want to add vendors, go ahead and I'm going to do it this way. So add a vendor, pretty simple. Joe Schmo, company name, JM, whatever, company address, whatever, email address, joe at schmo.com, phone number 612-555-5555. Now, this is where you pick the role. So Joe Schmo, let's say he's going to be, click on it, and you can scroll down to what it is. So these are your typical ones that, of your transaction, they're going to be included, like your home warranty person, your title company, insurance, home inspector. But if you don't see, like if you want to add, like, let's say a stager, or if you want to add something that is not on this list, you type it in. Oh, boom, create new role, staging. So now that role is created, Joe Schmo is my stager. Now when I hit add, Joe Schmo, role, staging. Now in a separate video, when I walk you through the transactions, then I'll show you, I'll show you where these go. But that's how to add vendors to your Lofty site. Before you go, like, subscribe, and share because sharing is caring. Have a great day.